Hey guys, tonight I want to take you through how to calculate your calories. As you should know, it's the fundamental principle whether you're looking to lose body fat or build muscle is controlling your calories. It's the ultimate key to body composition. So I'm going to take you through an example on the board here. I'm going to use how I would set up my current goals and calories. You should do the same and spread this out on a piece of paper for yourself and follow through with your own numbers. The first thing you're going to need is your age, your height in centimeters, and your weight in kilograms. Then we're going to calculate what's called your BMR, your basic metabolic rate, which is simply the amount of calories you need each day to survive for all your metabolic capacities, cell regrowth, muscle repair, hormones, those kind of things like that. So we have an equation up here. To calculate it, we have both males and females. As I'm a male, we've got 10 times my weight in kilos plus 6.25 times my height in centimeters minus 5 times my age plus 5. That's going to give me my BMR. The next thing I'm going to need to do with this number is going to times it by my activity multiplier. So my BMR by using this equation comes to 2,220 calories. So pause your video right now if you want and go calculate that so you've got your BMR to work with. Now we're going to move on with timesing it by activity multiplier. So as you'll see, we just have an idea of how active you are throughout a week and a corresponding multiplier. So if you do little to no exercise, you times the number which you got from your BMR by 1.2. If you do 1 to 3 workouts per week, times it by 1.4, and so on down the list. If you're very physically active and working out, times it by 1.8. If you have an active job but you're not working out, I would go with option number 3 of 1.6. So myself working out 67 times per week, I'm going to times my basic metabolic number by 1.7, which is going to spit out 3,774 calories. That's going to be called my TDEE, which simply is my total daily energy expenditure. That's the number of calories I would need to consume to maintain my weight and not change. Now, I'm sure you probably have a goal, whether it be losing body fat or building muscle. For that, you're going to need to go to option 4. So quickly pause the video if you need, make sure you've got your TDE, and we'll move on to option 4. Now, taking a goal into account, if you're looking to gain or lose weight, a lot of times out there you're just going to hear plus 500 calories or minus 500 calories to lose weight. I really hate that idea because if, say, you're a small female, you may have calculated your TDE to be only 1,500 calories. If I minus 500 calories from you, that's a huge amount of your calories and it's going to be a drastic diet for you. Whereas someone like myself with 4,000 calories, 500 calories isn't a big deal and could be fine for a diet. So I suggest you use percentages. So with your TDE, if you're looking to lose weight, a moderate slow approach to dieting would be minus 10%. Down the aggressive end of the scale would be minus 25%. Just understand that the bigger the deficit, the harder it's going to be, the more hunger you're going to have, and the more possible side effects to hormones, energy, and mood that are going to come with it. So I would probably suggest going between 15 and 20. Stay away from the more aggressive level, but if you need to get in shape really, really quick, that is an option you can look at. Now myself, I'm looking to slowly put on muscle mass and stay as lean as possible and improve my strength. So I'm looking to use a plus 10% on my TDE for my goal. So when I times my total daily energy expenditure, my number here, by 10%, 1.1 to make it easiest in your calculator, spits out my number of 4,151 calories. That's the amount of calories I need to consume to ensure I get lean muscle growth without getting too much fat. Now hopefully taking you through this was really helpful and you can achieve your goals with that. So what I'm going to do in the next video is take you through how to set up your macronutrients, which is simply your protein, your fat, and your carbohydrates for this calorie ratio. I want to keep it nice and simple and do one video at a time, and stay tuned for the next one. I'll go through that. I hope this is super helpful for you guys. If you have any more questions on the topic, make sure to put it in the comments below and I'll get to them as soon as I can and make sure that I answer them and help you with your goals. If you found this video really helpful, please do me a favor, like, comment, subscribe, share it around to everybody else so that they can too get the benefits of setting up their calories far more accurate than generic calculators out there. Thanks guys, I'll see you in the next video.